Hello, welcome to another Zyqual tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your password. First, go to zyqual.com. Then, click Login. Select Schools and enter your Ministry of Education email. After which, enter your Zyqual password. Then click the Login button. Here you will be brought to the dashboard. Click on the Zyqual icon. Then click on the human icon. Scroll down to change password. Enter your old password. Then enter your new password. Confirm your new password. Kindly ensure that your new password and the confirmed new password are the same. Then select Save. If the new password and confirmation password do not match, then ensure that the new password and the confirmed new password are exactly the same. Your password has been changed. Also, please make sure your password meets all the following 5 requirements. 1. Your password should have at least one uppercase letter. For example, capitals A, B, or C, or any letter of the alphabet. 2. At least one lowercase letter. For example, any common letter from A to Z. 3. At least one number. For example, use numbers between 0 through 9. 4. At least one special character. For example, an exclamation, an @ sign, a $sign, a number sign, or a percentage sign. 5. Your password should have a minimum length of 8 characters. So, a strong example might be capital S, common T, common R, number 4, common N, common G, an exclamation sign, capital P, common A, common S, common S. Thank you, and remember, a longer, more varied password is much harder to crack.